Digging through old archives and found an XLC file that Excel barely acknowledges anymore? This is a legacy chart format from very early versions of Excel before charts were embedded in workbooks. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you recover the data from these vintage chart files. For those who want the most versatile tool, it's coming. And it features my favorite single XLC file inspection utility that is compatible with hundreds of formats. An XLC file is a chart or graph created by Microsoft Excel, typically in older versions. Users encounter this when they save a chart as a standalone file, separate from the main spreadsheet data. The primary user intent is to open this chart, often to embed it in a presentation or document, or to view its visual data. The XLC format is a proprietary binary structure designed by Microsoft to encapsulate chart objects, including data series, axes, labels, and formatting. This design allowed for modularity, enabling users to manage and share visual data representations independently from the larger, more complex XLS workbooks from which they were derived. Technically, the best program for XLC is usually Microsoft Excel from Microsoft Corporation. The file is locked by a proprietary indexing system Windows cannot read natively. Windows cannot run calculations or update values, so spreadsheet logic requires a dedicated tool. The problem is often a missing file hook. Right-click the XLC file and choose Open With. Start with Microsoft Excel if available. If not, select another application from the list. If the XLC file is still refusing to open, it's expected. The file is winning so far. Time to fight back. Let's quickly run through a series of focused tests on these common XLC failure areas. First, opening in modern Excel. Open Microsoft Excel 2016 or later and use File, then Open, then Browse to the XLC file. You may need to enable legacy file format support through Trust Center settings, under File then Options, then Trust Center then File Block settings to allow opening older Excel formats. Next, using LibreOffice Calc. Install LibreOffice Calc, which has broader legacy format support than modern Excel. Open Calc and use File, then Open to load the XLC file. Calc often opens older Excel chart formats successfully and lets you save the result in XLSX or ODS format for use in modern spreadsheet workflows. Finally, converting via older Excel. If available, use Excel 2003 or earlier to open the XLC file natively, then save as XLS or XLSX format. This intermediate conversion preserves chart data and formatting for use in modern Excel. Virtual machines running older Windows versions can host legacy Excel for this purpose. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Rather than guessing, you can try switching to a dedicated parsing engine that is built to identify file structures autonomously and may offer a better chance of opening stubborn formats. Since we tried everything on the format, it's time for the professional fix. FileMagick is your best bet for files that are unreadable by Windows or standard open source programs. You can find it at filemagick.com. If you have any further questions about this file type, drop them below. Don't forget to subscribe before you go.